In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a design in Canva and turn it into a brand template. To get started, open Canva and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you can access all of your designs, brand assets, and team tools in one place. If you're using Canva for a business, a team, or a shared workflow, creating brand templates is a really helpful way to keep designs consistent and easy for others to reuse without starting from scratch. Once you're inside Canva, go to the Brand section. This area is designed to help you manage the visual identity of your business or organization. You'll usually find things like brand colors, fonts, logos, and other reusable assets here. Taking a moment to work from the Brand section is important because it keeps everything organized and makes your templates easier to find later. After that, select Brand Template. This is the space where Canva lets you manage template-based designs that are meant to be reused while still protecting the overall look and structure. Templates are especially useful when you want other people to update text, swap images, or customize small details without accidentally changing the entire design layout. It saves time and helps maintain a polished, professional appearance across all your content. From there, select the design you want to be templated. Choose the specific design that you want people to reuse as a starting point. This could be something like a social media post, presentation slide, flyer, or any other layout you've already created and want to standardize. Before selecting it, it can be helpful to quickly confirm that the design is finalized and organized the way you want, since this version will serve as the base template for future use. Once you've selected the design, you've completed the process of choosing a Canva design to use as a brand template. This makes it easier to create consistent content faster, especially if multiple people are working with the same visual style. As a general tip, it's a good idea to keep your templates clean, clearly named, and up to date so they're simple to identify and use later. And that's it. You've now learned how to open Canva, go to the Brand section, access Brand Template, and choose the design you want to convert into a reusable template.